Hi guys, in this video you will learn how to integrate ChatGPT with Microsoft Word. To do that, set up your ChatGPT API. Then if you want to automate actions with Microsoft Word, you might need to use the Microsoft Word API or a micro scripting language like VBA. This allows you to control Word programmatically. Then develop a script or program in a programming language of your choice, like Python, to interact with both the ChatGPT API and Microsoft Word API. Authenticate your script with the ChatGPT API and the Microsoft Word API. Then obtain necessary API keys or access tokens. Use your script to send questions or text to the ChatGPT API and retrieve the responses. If you want to automate actions within Microsoft Word, use your script to control Microsoft Word programmatically using its API or scripting language. If you need to format the content in Word, your script should handle formatting tasks such as font style, font size, and font text placement. Ensure that your script saves the documents within the desired name and format. And that's how to integrate ChatGPT with Microsoft Word. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.